Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Lowe's referral tracking with affiliate widgets. Begin by logging into your Lowe's affiliate account. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the Tools section. In the Tools section, look for Affiliate Widgets. Click on Affiliate Widgets to access the available options. You will see a variety of widgets designed for different products and categories. Select the widget that best suits your needs. After selecting a widget, you will be prompted to customize it. Customize the widget according to your preferences. You can adjust colors, sizes, and the type of products displayed. Once you are satisfied with your customization, locate the Get Code button. Click on Get Code to generate the affiliate tracking code. Copy the provided HTML code to your clipboard. Now, navigate to the website or platform where you want to display the widget. Paste the copied code into the HTML section of your website. Ensure you preview the page to confirm the widget appears as intended. Next, check the functionality of the affiliate links within the widget. Click on the links and verify that they redirect correctly to Lowe's website. Monitor your affiliate dashboard for tracking analytics. Make adjustments to your widget placement as necessary for better visibility. Regularly check your sales and clicks through the affiliate dashboard. This will help you optimize your strategy for higher conversion rates. Follow these steps to effectively enable Lowe's referral tracking with affiliate widgets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.